Hey boys and girls, how are you this week? I wanted to get on here and talk to you for a few minutes about our phonics lessons for the week of May 4th through the 8th. You're going to be following the grid that is on the purple sheet to know what to do this week. This week, we're going to review some combinations that we have already learned for our or our R-controlled vowels. And we're going to be reviewing those, and we're also going to be reviewing today our long I, sneaky E, and our final stable syllables. So let's do that first, and then we'll talk about this week's work. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to say the picture and then the sound with me. We're going to do our sneaky E vowels first, and then we'll do our final stable syllables. Remember, sneaky E scares the vowel to say his long name. So all of these vowels are going to be long. All right, here we go. Dime, I. Cube, U. Cake, A. Cement, E. Hose, O. Here we go with our final stable syllables. Here we go. Staple, pull. Oops. Ruffle, full. Bubble, bowl. Bugle, goal. Bottle, toll. Candle, dole. Lotion, shun. Tricked you at the end, didn't I? Remember, this is a final stable syllable, just like all of our other ones. It just sounds a little different. Remember, it is final because it comes at the end of a word. It is stable because you can't code or change anything that is beyond the gate. And it is a syllable because you clap it one time when you say the word. Like lotion, if we were clapping our syllables, you would say lotion. It gets a one clap for one syllable. Great job, boys and girls. That was really good. I know that you remember these sounds, and I know that you're using them in your reading and in your writing. Great job. All right, let's look at what we're going to be working on this week. We're going to review really quickly our controlled vowels, and these are all vowels that are standing beside the letter R. And remember, that R is the sound that you are going to hear, like bird, horse, or, butter, turtle, Okay, let's look at these and see how we're going to be practicing these sounds during our week. Okay, on the story, Mary Kate's Garden, you're going to read the story and use your highlighter to highlight the IR like bird and OR like horse words in the story. You're going to need to read this to an adult. After you read it a couple of times, highlight those words. You're going to write the IR and OR words on the lines at the bottom. Then you're going to draw a picture of those words in the circle. On the very bottom, you're going to draw about what happened in the story. What happened in the story. Okay, on the next activity, you're going to be filling in the blanks. Okay, the directions say to read the sentence and decide which word from the bank at the bottom completes the sentence best. This time, you're going to be practicing words, ER. You're going to be practicing UR words, and IR words. So ER like butter, U are like turtle, and I are like bird. You're going to read those words, fill in the sentences where they go. Okay? On our next page or two, you are going to be practicing some OU and OW words. So I got out the cards that go with OU and OW for us to practice as well. Remember, OU like owl and mouse. OW like O in bow. And OW like owl and cow. The last couple of sheets for the week, you'll be practicing these sounds. So let's look at these papers. On this one, OU and OW words, you can see that there is a small word bank up at the top that you can use to match the word to the picture. You're going to write that word on the line. Okay. This one, you're going to be doing the same way with OW and OU. Okay. You're also going to be practicing the OU, OW sounds and the ER, IR, OR, UR sounds on these last two pages. So it's a blend of all the ones from the week. You will match the word that is at the top in the word bank to the picture. Okay, and the same on this one. It's a combination of all of those that we've learned this week and reviewed, and you're matching the word at the top to the picture. Okay, I'm going to be looking, boys and girls, for you to include these sounds in your writing and spelling those correctly. That is the big connection that we're trying to make between phonics, the sounds they make, and the words we write. So really, really work on that this week. I know you're going to do a great job. Bye.